Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, don't make it your last. Click on the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. In this video, we are going to be making noodles. Not just any kind of noodles. Like, this noodle is the bomb. Like, after trying this recipe, you will thank me. I'm going to start by boiling the noodles. And for this recipe, I'm going to be using carrots, yellow bell pepper, red bell pepper, green bell pepper, onions, green beans, sausages, spring onion, liver, and green peas. Once you're done parboiling the noodles, you take out the water. I'll be going in with little vegetable oil, and I'm going to add my sausage and fry it for a bit. After frying that, I'm going to add the liver, then fry. Once I'm done, I'm going to be adding my veggies. I'm adding my carrots, onions, red bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, green bell pepper, green peas, green beans, and spring onions. Then I'll fry that for 2 to 3 minutes. Once I'm done adding my veggies, I'm going to add a little bit of seasoning cube. Then I'm going to go in with my noodle seasoning. After I'm done adding that, I'll combine properly. Then once I'm done, I'll add my noodles and combine. And the noodles is ready. If you've watched to this point of this video, please don't forget to subscribe, turn on your post notification bell, like, share, comment, and give this video a very big fat thumbs up. See you guys in my next video. Bye.